Pan is a traditional mouth freshener in India. It has been part of India's tradition from the eras of kings and nawabs. Pan consists of betel leaves, cloves, betel nuts, with a mixture of various spices, dried fruits, sugar and lime powder, and other such exotic ingredients, wrapped in a triangular shape. According to Ayurveda, betel leaf or pan patta is very useful in curing ailments like coughs, colds and headaches, but really, it is a tasty mouth freshener. With the passage of time, various flavors have been introduced to the pan, and now we even have the shocker of a fire pan. Inspired by fire shots of alcohol, it took 45 days of experimentation to come up with the perfect recipe of the fire pan. Fire pan doesn't use any new ingredients but is made with the same old pan ingredients of betel leaves, cloves and betel nut. The only difference in this latest version of pan is that before it is wrapped, the ingredients are set on fire. Once the panwala puts the pan on fire, he folds it immediately and places the burning leaf directly into the customer's mouth. The fire looks dangerous, but it gives a cool sensation once it is inside the mouth. As mad and dangerous as it may seem, some people in Delhi happily stand in a queue for a shot of the now famous fire pan.